To adjust the speech rate of a language used in the interpreter app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Find Interpreter. Tap Interpreter. Next, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. And then tap Setting icon. Tap Voice Styles. Here you can see the list of the downloaded languages. Tap the required language you like to adjust its speech rate. As the sample, we will select French. Now, drag the speech rate adjustment bar to the right to get a faster speed.
Voici à quoi cela ressemble lorsque vous traduisez.
Or, you can slide it to the left to get a slower speed.
Voici à quoi cela ressemble lorsque vous traduisez.
With this setting, when you use the selected language, in this case French, in the interpreter app, the language will be spoken with the speed rate you set before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.